I've heard a couple different contrarian views on the low inventory. I haven't dug deep into the data because it wasn't readily available. But essentially, what they were saying is we don't have shortage of inventory. What we do is have consolidation of inventory that investors own, meaning single family, which investors have been buying that up, in larger percentages over the last, 5-8 years. But then you got the multifamily side too, which the development on multifamily has really been driving the development of all residential. It's mainly been multifamily because we haven't been keeping up on the single family side. So their argument is we actually have ample inventory. It's all tied up. It's not on the market. And I don't know if you have any data or if you've seen anything that kind of validates that or any commentary on that.
When you say all tied up, you mean
it's off market? Like they're not selling right now. So before COVID, there was still a shortage where I think in Houston, it was around 3 or slightly below 3 months of inventory, which is still below the 6 months. And then COVID happened, it dropped below 1 month, and it's been inching its way back up, but still below pre-COVID levels.
If the market starts slowing down, people might be more apt to selling, right? Right now, they're seeing the appreciation and everything going up, and you don't want to miss the boat, right? So I don't, if there was plenty of everything, then there would be plenty of stuff for other people to buy, I guess is my thing. As y'all touched on, the below medium price range houses, heck, the medium price range has gone up. I don't know exactly, but it seems like it's gone up almost 100,000 in the last couple of years.
Yeah, it's over 350 now, right? In Houston,
it just doesn't seem that long ago. It was 260 or so.
Yeah.
I mean, from investment, I don't think you can get hurt by it. We'll slow down after every inflationary period, there's a recessionary period. And they've dumped so much money into the economy for so long to keep it afloat. We a bull market, if you will, or prosperity or whatever you want to call it, for longer than we normally have. They've been pushing it through. You got the blip for COVID, but they have to if we have an adult in the office, whichever party's in there, we have to put the brakes on inflation.
Mm-hmm.
And to me, nationally, it's not going to feel good. But we're in Texas, so I kind of like, I kind of go both sides, right? I have the little angel said, "Oh, we have the population, we're still affordable place to live, this, that, together." The other side of the coin, I'm like, well, we've run up a lot faster than we did in 08 and 09. So maybe if fall, we might have more to fall than we did back then. So yeah. I'm kind of conflicted, and I think now's the time. If you're going to sell anything, sell the stuff you don't want. Sorry.
Yeah. So, I mean, so if you don't have to move, if it is that secondary house, go ahead and cash in. You're okay cashing in. Now, if you're worried about what you're going to do with the money, then maybe you hold on to it, presuming you don't need it. That's what I've been told. People ask, "Hey, should I sell now?" I'm like, "Look, do you need the money?" No. Well, then do you have someplace you're going to put the money afterwards? No. Don't sell. Like, if you need the money, sure, cash in. If you have another place to put the money, another investment opportunity or whatever, another house.
You need the money to do a cash out, right? And you don't have the tax.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, and then that's tax free.
Right. So, there's that, and you still have the asset.